Prototype model making needs an understanding of rational numbers. Modelers use proper scale factors while making these models. For example, scale model aeroplanes. If the scale is 1:300, what is the wingspan on the model? If the real wingspan is 57.52 meter? Sometimes we need conversions of rational numbers into P by Q form. Let's learn these conversions. 1. Pure recurring decimals. Decimal numbers in which all the digits after the decimal point are repeated are known as pure recurring decimals. Example: 0.6 bar, 0.16 bar, 0.123 bar are pure recurring decimals. 2. Mixed recurring decimals. Decimal numbers in which at least one of the digits after the decimal point is not repeated and then some digit or digits are repeated are known as mixed recurring decimals. Example: 2.16 bar, 0.35 bar, 0.785 bar are mixed recurring decimals. Period. The recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimals is called a period. Periodicity. The number of digits in the recurring part of the decimal is called its periodicity. Period of 0.6 bar equals to 6. Periodicity is 1. Period of 0.16 bar equals to 16. Periodicity is 2. Period of 0.7123 bar equals to 123. Periodicity is 3. Illustration 1. Express 0.6 bar in the form P by Q. Solution. Let x equals to 0.6 bar. Then x equals to 0.6666 and so on is equation 1. Here we have only one repeating digit after decimal. So we multiply both sides by 10. Implies 10x equals to 6.6666 and so on is equation 2. On subtracting 1 from 2, we get 10x minus x equals to 6.6666 and so on minus 0.6666 and so on. 10x minus x equals to 6. 9x equals to 6 implies x equals to 6 by 9. Implies 0.6 bar equals to 2 by 3. That is 0.6666 and so on equals to 2 by 3.